Today on Animal Fact Files, we're talking about banded kraits. Don't forget to subscribe to receive updates on more animal facts. Banded kraits are one of the more than a dozen species of krait snake from the Bungarus genus. They live throughout southern Asia in forested habitats as well as open areas with bodies of water and even near human settlements. They can be found anywhere from sea level to more than 1¼ miles above sea level. Banded kraits are nocturnal creatures who spend most of their daytime sleeping in burrows created by other animals such as rats or termites. That might seem rude, but it's not like they have hands to dig their own burrows. At night, banded kraits come out to hunt. A banded krait's favorite diet is other snakes, which include non-venomous snakes such as rat snakes, as well as venomous snakes such as other banded krait snakes. Yes, that technically means they're cannibals. They'll also eat other reptiles, amphibians, and small mammals if they can't find a sneaky morsel. The venom of a banded krait is deadly to humans, but there are treatments available to banded krait bites if they are medically addressed in a timely manner. According to ThailandSnakes.com, it's best to seek help as soon as possible because the onset of banded krait bite symptoms could mean loss of nerve function that is unrecoverable. The venom of a banded krait causes paralysis in its victims, which leads to asphyxiation, or the inability to breathe. There have been recorded deaths by banded kraits, though interactions with these snakes are relatively rare due to the banded krait's nocturnal nature and general laziness during the day. In fact, some people native to banded krait territory enjoy the company of these serpents. They believe that banded kraits bring prosperity to their homes. Plus, they benefit from the general lack of other snakes, including possibly more deadly snakes, in their settlements thanks to the banded krait's dietary choices. I'm guessing those people probably still keep their doors closed at night, just in case. But it's really cool to learn about humans living in harmony with animals that seem to be pretty universally reviled around the globe. Snakes are pretty alright once you learn a bit about them. Banded kraits are yellow and black in alternating rings that circle their bodies. This warning coloration is a prime example of the distinct "don't mess with me" pattern in bright colors seen in a lot of toxic species in the animal kingdom, such as the poison frogs we covered in a previous episode. This color pattern is also an indicator to predators that trying to eat a banded krait is probably a bad idea. Banded kraits are usually pretty distinct. They can be confused, however, with Malayan kraits, who are white and black in color. Sometimes the yellow in a banded krait appears more creamy and nearly white, which closely matches the white and black ring pattern of Malayan kraits. Banded kraits are more triangular shaped, and they're the longest of the krait species. They can reach more than 6½ feet in length, though just under 5 feet is a closer average. They also have a blunt tail, so I think that means we're allowed to call them nub butts. The mating season of banded kraits occurs in spring, typically falling between March and April, though it may also happen year-round, as writers from herpingthailand.com note observing a mating pair in November. A year-round breeding schedule could be possible because banded kraits live in generally warm environments, though more research is likely needed to confirm this. The female banded krait will lay around 4 to 14 eggs about 2 months after mating. The eggs are protected by the female and will hatch in another 2 months. It's possible she will leave them just before hatching so as not to accidentally decide to eat them instead. I suppose you could call that motherly love. We weren't able to find a banded krait's life expectancy in the wild, though captive individuals are thought to live more than 13 years. For more information on banded kraits, check out the links in the description. Let us know what you think of these serpents in the comments. Give a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time on Animal Fact Files.